Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this Friday morning. Yep, it's Friday, made it through another work week. It is the 8th day of March 2024. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the home weather office, where I look at stuff first thing in the morning. I give you an idea of what's going on, and then later in the day I head into the studio and do the whole television thing. As I look out the window of the home weather office this morning, it is spectacular. Not a cloud to be found. And while temperatures are cool this morning, and there even was some scattered frost in the foothills, we will be seeing a really nice afternoon with temperatures in the 60s and light winds. We are eyeing 2 chances of rain and snow coming our way in the next 5 days. I'll show you the timing on those, when we may see a little bit of the rain and snow, how much we may see, and the impact that'll have. I think both of them going by will provide times for chain controls in the Sierra. Not a road closure like what we saw last weekend, but from time to time we are likely going to see chain controls. So let me show you what's going on this morning. I wanted to just start with the satellite because, man, there is a lot going on this morning in terms of just how clear and beautiful it is. All of what you're looking at here is snow. We don't have a cloud in the sky. So if you look here, that is Shasta, just really looking magnificent right in here. And as you come a little bit farther to the south, there is Lake Almanor. And this really jumps out. That's Highway 70, the Feather River Basin right in here, dropping down into Lake Oroville, which is right here. But you can just see how deep that canyon is for the Feather River. And you get the idea of the entire drainage area that encompasses the Feather River. All of this area, all that snowmelt just drains straight down into the Feather River Basin and eventually into Lake Oroville. A little bit farther to the south, Folsom Lake is right in here. So you can see where the snow level is. This, by the way, this shape right in here is a clear cut left over from the King Fire way back when, the one that burned near Pollock Pines. But if you go up Wentworth Springs Road outside of Georgetown, you'll see an area up there that is that has been cleared after that fire. It hasn't grown in quite yet, but it still always pops out on the visible satellite when we have snow, just because of its unique shape right in there. And then as you come farther to the south, you can see the same thing, these beautiful river canyons. And then like down in here, I think that's the Merced right in there, so Yosemite would be right in here. Obviously that's Mono Lake. Oh, maybe Yosemite's right in here. I forget which side that's on. But yeah, just a beautiful day. And as you can see, the valley is also taking on that spring green color, a benefit of all the rain we have had. So when are we going to see some more rain? Let's get to that. I could go on and on about those satellites all day. So this is the HRRR. We've been talking about, this thing on Saturday, and it's really starting to become annoying. This is Saturday morning at 4 a.m. This is midday, and you can see this line falling apart. We will likely see some light rain from, let's say, Chico to the north. But there will be some showers into Plumas County. This is around 2 in the afternoon. And as you can see, as it goes by, there may be a sprinkle in places like Sacramento and Stockton, and later into the day into the places like Grass Valley. This is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, it's just kind of one of those little annoying things that if you get some rain, it's going to be very light. And this is not going to provide us any snow for worries about chain controls, but it's just that kind of annoying thing. It's falling apart, but just how much of it's going to hold together to give us a sprinkle in areas like Paradise and Nevada City. Yeah, I guess that's a possibility, but I wouldn't cancel any plans over that. This is Sunday morning as far out as the HRRR goes, and here's the next one. So to get to that one, we have to go to the NAM. And so with the NAM, we'll pick it up on Saturday morning. Here comes that line. The NAM does something similar, deteriorating that line as it comes through in the afternoon. Then Sunday morning, this is Sunday morning at 8 o'clock. Remember, we have the time change this weekend. Here comes the next area. If you do want to do things outdoors on Sunday, the morning looks fine. This is 1 o'clock in the actually 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then by the time we get to sunset, we have some rain. This is around 8 o'clock. Rain in the valley, snow in the Sierra. Snow level looks like it's going to start around 5,500, and it may drop as low as about 4,800 as this line goes by. And by Monday morning at 8 o'clock, we're dry other than some snow flurries in the Sierra. That drops about 1/4 of an inch of rain in the valley and about 3 to 5 inches of snow in the Sierra. And then we are dry during the day Monday, and then here comes the next one on Tuesday. And this is as far out as the NAM goes right now, so let's take a look at that with the GFS. The GFS will pick it up Monday morning, so you'll be able to see that next one coming in on Tuesday. This is late Monday night, Tuesday. This is Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. The snow level should be a little bit lower, maybe closer to 4,500 feet, but it doesn't last all that long. This is 8 o'clock. This is late morning. This is the afternoon, and it's all gone. So by the time we get to sunset on Tuesday, it's all gone. And this one will also provide us maybe 1/4 of an inch of rain. Now, beyond this, so let's get into Wednesday. Wednesday, we are clear. North gradient setting up. It'll be a north breeze, typical north breeze we have in springtime. Tighter gradient here. So Wednesday, Thursday, we'll likely have north winds around. Probably not great allergy days. And then temperatures begin to warm up. The gradient eases by Friday and into the weekend. And as you can see, there's nothing in the way of rain. This is all the way into next Tuesday and Wednesday. Maybe a little something going by, but nothing that's all that stormy all the way out through the 22nd. So we have 2 chances of rain coming our way. Both are pretty modest, not all that windy, nothing too gusty. But on Sunday night and again on Tuesday morning, we'll likely have enough for chain controls, as each one as it goes by will drop 3 to 6 inches of snow above 5,000 feet. The Tuesday one may drop some snow down to 4,500. But again, the amounts are going to be pretty modest. So that's everything I've got for you this morning on this Friday morning. Get out and enjoy the sunshine. Have yourselves a great weekend. I'll talk with you later.